Hello my dear friends and marrowlings, welcome to my channel. So the much awaited Marrow Edition 6 notes is here. Edition 6 has witnessed some of the awesome changes, but that good old essence of Marrow continues to be present. And here, so I ordered the notes nearly 20 days ago and it was delivered after a long dispatch delay. But it was worth the wait. As you can see, it comes with the awesome packaging. The same Marrow logo in light blue and white background gives the same thrill. After opening the package, it greets with "Nice to meet you." And the notes costed around 9,749 and it will vary from place to places. It includes 18% GST over the 7,999 notes price and additional delivery charges. You can go and check it in their website. So I have tried answering some of the most frequently asked questions, that after ordering, when will you receive your notes? The notes will be delivered within 15 working days from the date of dispatch, and you will not get all the notes in a single set. It will be delivered in 2 sets. Now you will get set 1, which will contain a total of 24 books, and in the next set you will get the medicine. And Marrow has promised that if you have received any damaged notes or your notes has any of the fault, Marrow will replace it. So Marrow is promising you, don't take any tension brothers, just order it. The set which I have just received contains a total of 24 books, friends, and a letter of acknowledgement from Marrow team for choosing Marrow. It also contains a Rumble card. Note that it is just for the first 5,000 users. So order it soon. Marrow has designed this Rumble card so that you learn while playing with friends. It contains few bookmarks and stickers too. The pages are in sepia tone. It gives an eye comforting like feature with handwritten like feeling, and contains lots of images which will surely help you in histopathology slides and different other pictures, and it also contains MCQs at the end too. So friends, here was the total unboxing of Edition 6 Marrow notes. So keep studying and hope to meet you soon. Till then, bye bye.